I promise you've never had anything like this. I'm going to show you how to make herbal infused gummies today. Today we're going to make elderberry gummies. So we've got 2/3 of a cup of elderberry infusion. We're going to pour that into the saucepan. Then we're going to mix in 6 ounces of Jell-O. We're using berry blue and peach flavor today. Then we're going to use about 3/4 of an ounce of gelatin. Then we're going to mix that together and we're going to let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, so it's set. We're going to put it on medium-high heat. And we're going to mix continually for about 2 minutes. Alright, it's done mixing, cooling, whatever. We're going to pour it into our molds now. Alright, now we're going to throw those in the fridge for a few hours, let them cool down, solidify. Alright, I'm recording this the next day. These are how they came out. They are super delicious. They're just the right texture. These came out perfect.